Itaola Soccer Beat lovers, your boy, the real Chisera, the real Mozzarella. In this festive season, Bafetu Namanje, the AFCON is keeping us busy. Bafetu, I've been reading a lot of comments, about Nkota. Obviously the boy did not perform well. He probably knows it as well. I think just one thing that we also need to put in mind. Yes, we wanted, Nkota to show us, what he's been doing throughout the qualifiers and all of that. But, the stage is different, guys, and as a youngster, I think it just gets more difficult. And maybe also the nervousness of the first game and also having to deliver and coming up against all these international players, that really analyze the opponent. I think it can only be fair that we give him an opportunity and see what happens in the upcoming games. And I'd really love Nkota to be, to be that player that comes in as an impact player. I think the alternation between him and Moremi, or maybe he could do better on the left-hand side, but let's give him a chance, man. It's not easy for a youngster to walk into those shoes, and having to deliver, score goals, create goals. It's not easy, Bafetu. So, I think he just needs to work on that, get his confidence. Also try and alternate his game, because I feel like he's just too one-dimensional. He does the same thing over and over. If it's not a step over to his right, he basically tries to cut in. Try a bit of combination plays. I think if he tries a bit of that when he comes in, what Apollos does, try get himself in positions where he can shoot, because we know he packs a lot of power, but he does not create himself that space to get an angle to get shots. So, Soccer Beat lovers, I think any chance, my favorite football fans. He's a young boy. We're just glad that we got the 3 points. Maybe he will come in handy as the tournament progresses, Bafetu. From the real Chisera, the real Mozzarella, Sisonke Bafetu. Let's love and support our players, Bafetu. Yes, not everyone performed well. There's also certain individuals that did not do well, but we still salute them for crossing over that line and giving us the 3 points. So, my chance, family members, football lovers, Sisonke Bafetu. Oh yeah, danko.